Shiny Hunters, the notorious hacker, is claiming to have access to the AT&T database containing personal and sensitive records of more than 70 million customers. In a post published on the infamous hacker forum and marketplace Raid Forums, Shiny Hunters is offering the database for a starting price of 200,000 US dollars. Online publication hackery.com has seen the sample report records shared by Shiny Hunters on the forum, and quick review of it reveals that these records include the following customer details: full names, addresses, zip codes, date of birth, email addresses, and social security numbers. Although AT&T is yet to comment on the breach, if the data is legitimate, it will be a disaster for the company and its customers. The database can be bought off by government-backed hacking groups, spy agencies, ransomware gangs, or scammers, while customers can end up being sitting ducks and exposed to online and physical threats. The possibilities for these threat actors are endless. It is worth noting as well that in 2019, AT&T had a subscriber base of approximately 77 million postpaid and 18 million prepaid customers in the United States. This news comes just days after a hacker was selling the T-Mobile customer records on the same forum. That data breach was confirmed by T-Mobile. However, so far, we have failed to establish any connection between T-Mobile and AT&T and the alleged breaches. In an update from the T-Mobile hack keeps getting worse, as they just updated their investigation and revealed that now confirmed that the cyber attack has exposed 54 million individuals' data. Last weekend, we reported that a threat actor started selling the data of approximately 100 million T-Mobile customers. The exposed data can include their IMSI, IMEI, the phone numbers, the customer names, security pins, social security numbers, driver's license numbers, and date of birth. The hackers said that the database was stolen approximately 2 weeks ago and contains data as far back as 2004. T-Mobile is now confirming that some of its servers have been hacked and began investigating what customer data was exposed. Affected T-Mobile customers keep increasing. On August 17, T-Mobile first disclosed a summary of the investigation into their hacked servers and said that the personal information of 48.6 million individuals was exposed during this attack. In addition to that, T-Mobile has confirmed our original numbers on the attack, that the attackers have also stolen IMSI and IMEI numbers. As it stands today, the attack has affected 54.6 million individuals, which is broken down here. 13.1 million current T-Mobile postpaid customers, 40 million former or prospective T-Mobile customers, 667,000 accounts of former T-Mobile customers, 850,000 T-Mobile prepaid customers, 52,000 names related to the current Metro T-Mobile accounts may have been included. T-Mobile continues to see no sign of payment information or financial information exposed during the attack, even though we reported that previously. I believe that we will likely continue to see the number of exposed customers increase in the coming weeks, but we advise that all T-Mobile and AT&T customers assume that their data was exposed and be on the lookout for targeted phishing emails and SMS texts. If you receive any of those, do not click on any links embedded in those messages, as these threat actors could use them to harvest credentials from unsuspecting customers. If you like the content we're providing, please consider supporting us on our new Patreon page at Eric Belardo Cyber. Links below. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel for exciting cybersecurity information and news that may affect you, your family, and your community. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, practice safe cyber. Till next time, thank you.